Right, BMX Lad 98 bike check. That's my YouTube. Anyway, right. Start from the front. Cult Vans waffle grips, which that one's been cut down. Home bag and masking tape, bitch. Corey Martinez, United Beacon, Corey Martinez signature bars. McNeil Swagger stem with a Gay We the People top cap, and then Odyssey Dirt Forks, but it's like the older ones, but they're strong as hell, so that's why I have them. Vandera 2 front hub on an Odyssey quadrant rim, wherever it is. There. Bitches. Right, Odyssey headset on We the People, Crisis 2011 frame. NS Bike Co aerial pedals. G-Sport ratchet back wheel on a G-Sport roll cage rim, which is buckled already after 3 weeks. Shadow Conspiracy, Slimmer Seat, Odyssey, Mr. Clampy 2, seat clamp, a silver red light. Look, it flashes. How cool is this? You ready? Bitch. Oh yeah. Now that is high tech shit. Hey Toby, it's high tech shit. Look, bitch.
It's gay as fuck.
It's not gay. It's cool.
It is pretty gay.
Eastern mid bottom bracket. Sterling Mob 2 cranks. Oh god. BSD Super Light 28.2 sprocket. I think that's it. Oh, and a Clat Escape, Clat Control front tyre and a Clat Escape back tyre. And that's it. Yes, it was a very expensive bicycle. I recommend most of these parts, apart from the cranks, because they're gash. Right. That's everything, I think. Scooter fag.